Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Genesis. Yo, unfortunately, uFelicia still uguy usadlala yava ama-game usadlala uGabriel ukuthi why angahlahleli ithawula abone ukuthi uGabriel is winning and then just allow things to be and pray that Gabriel dies sooner than later. I don't know. But yeah, Gabriel is still alive. Gabriel is still praying the victim. So now, will he be the victim until nje forever, or will uBonko finally see through him ukuthi no man, la gijima something, la khona into engayenzi sense. But ke uBonko kulokho kudinwa ahambe ayoqala amalobolo wakhe back Khabo Maruna. While asking for amalobolo back Khabo Maruna, umama kaMaruna athi nix. Azange mina ngikuforced ukuthi umpropose, zange ngicela ukuthi umpropose, wena wo odecide. But you can see ukuthi uBonko still loves uMaruna. It's just that he is hurt. And I believe ukuthi if they gave him space and time, eventually he will forgive uMaruna, because at this point he does not even want to go to studio and continue making music with Umaruna, because he is the producer. Remember, he does not want anything and everything to do with Umaruna. He just wants Umaruna to disappear. No, Maruna is not disappearing. Maruna is not going anywhere. Maruna is your wife of your youth that you decided to marry. So ukuthi yophelela kanjani, siyilokho nje esikumele sonke sifuna ukwazi ukuthi bathakwana, what's going to happen. No, asiqhubekeni siye kubani, ku-Ishmael. U-Ishmael, before siqhubeka, ngisho uBonko ahlulekile uBonko. Then uGabriel intervened by giving lo mama imali, right? And the lo mama lo was furious. She took the money, but she did not say she accepts the deal. What she then did is she called abobaba omncane nabobaba omkhulu bangapha to address the whole thing and said, mamelani ke, can your child came azocela ilobolo, you disrespected us in and right now I'm just confused. I don't even know what to tell the journalists. And because they don't want to be on the papers, because they understand the value of their name of the family, they were like, nope, don't go to the papers. So I think maybe uBonko will be forced to take uMaruna based on the fact yokuthi lobola has already been paid and ifamily sine contract and lo buhlobo mele bwakhe by fire by force. U-Ishmael ke naye uyayenzelwa i-ID. He's having his traumas and everything of going back to the place where he was, right? But ke umngani wakhe uyamtshela uFinzo ukuthi, you know what, you need to like face these demons. They can't control you forever. Yes, it was a difficult time for you to be there. Nan. Ubuhle ke aye on his behalf. She did not get the ID and sent the dad. And ati, did you tell them ukuthi hubani uyihlo? Ati, no, I didn't. Kusho ukuthi ID yaphuma, guys. ID yaphuma, at least akube ne-storyline esiya phambili kule show ke. ID yaphuma, amasofa ayangena, aziphume.